500 grams whole chicken, lime, clarified butter, desi ghee, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, saffron, mace, green cardamom powder, salt, cumin seed, ginger garlic paste, chili flakes, coriander powder, and kebra water, yogurt, fried onion, mint and cilantro leaves, cumin powder, green cardamom powder, choti ilachi powder, salt, mace, saffron, cumin seed, turmeric, curry masala or garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili flakes, garlic paste. Yogurt, fried onion, mint and cilantro, drop of kebra water. That's it. Fresh lime, clarified butter, desi ghee. I'm gonna let it sit for at least 6 hours or overnight. Basmati rice, one, 2 cup. I'm going to wash it perfectly, then gonna leave it soak in water for 20 minutes. 1 cup milk, 2 drops of kebra water, 2 pinch of saffron, zafran, I will use it later. Bay leaf, paprika, black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, nutmeg, star anise, peppercorn, salt, ginger garlic paste, fried onion, ghee, clarified butter, desi ghee, rice soaked in water already for 20 minutes, cilantro and mint leaves. Water is boiling. I'm adding just rice. Salt, ginger garlic, all the dry spices, dried onion, mint leaves and cilantro, clarified butter, desi ghee. Five minutes, rice is almost done. After 6 hours, our chicken is perfectly marinated, and I am going to mix it again. Some cilantro and mint leaves, red onion, saffron milk, cilantro and mint leaves, red onion, some ghee, rice, ghee, and brown onion. Top ginger julienne, red chilli. So now I'm using wheat dough to seal the edges of the pot. Make sure press and tighten the lid properly so that steam cannot escape from the pot. Now we're gonna place the pot on stove and let it cook for 3 minutes on over super high heat. Then we're gonna reduce the heat to a super low flame and let it simmer for 45 to 50 minutes. I'm going to turn off heat and let it set for at least 15 minutes like that. Then it's gonna be ready for serve. Soft, tender, juicy. Thanks for your support, folks. Please subscribe to my channel if you really like my work. Adios, ciao, hasta la vista.